Hello, welcome back to another episode of I Captain of My Ship. Today, I like to talk about one of the things that is good to notice and look after your child when there is something like tension or disappointment in the life of a child. Those are things that a child has to learn to deal with. As a parent, you already know and are aware that life has two opposites. There's good and there's bad, and there's life. You have happy moments and you have sad moments, but it is something that a child has to learn to deal with, and it needs us as parents to learn how to deal with those emotions. Well, one of the things that is very good to notice when you are helping your child to learn to deal with the emotion sad, for example, that you and something happens in the life of a child, and it's a sad moment, it loses something that it loves, or it has to stop playing with certain toys at grandma because it's time to leave. And then a child can get sad because it wants don't want to stop to play. So those things that are sad in the life of a child are new for a child, of course. And when you are there and you see your child becoming sad, then it's very important to be aware that you don't come with solutions immediately. What happens when you start giving solutions for any problem that arises in the child's life? Then you take away the chance for a child first to feel the emotion and get through it. That's the first thing. And the second thing is a child can start to wonder and start to doubt him or herself. It's like, oh, why didn't I come up with an idea like that? What will happen to your child when you start to not come up with a solution immediately, but to help your child get through the emotion? You notice it, you recognize it, you name it, and then you to help your child get through the emotion. And then ask your child if you see, because solutions are not bad, but just look at the right moment. A right moment can be that you see your child has gone through the emotion, it's getting up again, it's getting higher on the lever, it's getting on the ladder, it's getting um, better in its body, it's getting more positive emotions. You can see the smile on the face of your child coming back again, those little symptoms that you can see. Then you can ask your child if there is a problem that needs to be solved, of course. Then you can ask your child, do you have any idea how we can solve this problem? Or when you are comforting your child, you can also see that it will come up with a solution, him or herself. So in this case, if you approach it this way, you give the chance to your child to come up with solutions by itself, then it starts to build self-worth, self-esteem. And then a child can see, oh, look, if something sad happens, I can come up with a solution for myself. And this way you help your child to build self-esteem. So that's why I think it's so important not to solve all problems immediately as soon as a problem arises, but give the space and some room for your child to come up with the solution by itself. So I hope this tip helped you, and know that I'm not trying to give these tips to make sure that you will be perfect as a parent, because a perfect parent does not exist. You are trying, and life is giving feedback sometimes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working out the way you had hoped. Don't give up. Keep trying. It's only feedback, there's no failure. I personally don't believe in failure. I personally believe in feedback. So when life is giving you feedback, don't give up. Just know, oh, it's feedback. This way doesn't work. I can try another way the next time. So don't give up. Keep trying, and love your child. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the journey through life. And that's it for today. If you'd like to know more, I'd like to welcome you in one of my workshops. You can find more information at www.icaptainofmyship.com. I hope to see you there. Bye bye.